Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Something that I love to order in restaurants is a stir-fried glass noodle dish. And I was really excited to find these glass noodles that I can cook at home. These are from O Food, and these are a Korean style glass noodle that is made from only sweet potato starch. That is the only ingredient, so very simple. And these are a great option if you are gluten-free or grain-free. And they are awesome. So they cook up really easily. So the box here comes with 12 of these little 3.5 ounce packs, which is nice because it keeps them fresh. You can just pull out whatever you need. They cook up really simply in boiling water for about 6 minutes. And these are awesome because they really don't have much flavor. And so that seems counterintuitive, but it's the perfect blank canvas for any type of sauce or flavorings or whatever you want to put with these. They are also perfect in soups because they can absorb all your yummy broth, and they are just a great option for a glass noodle that is made from simple ingredients and is also organic. So I have been really happy with these. I absolutely love them. I love the texture. I love the look of them. And I love the fact that they are going to absorb whatever delicious sauce I put with them, and it's going to be amazing. So I would definitely recommend keeping these in your pantry, and that's my point of view.